Yes. But it's so worth it. Because here in the Philippines, di ba, it's so hot. So that's why it's valid. It's valid to go there if you're hot. It's so hot. Yeah, di ba? That's true, you know. You know that. Even if you're not here. I'll end live 9:10. I will feel at home at there. You can, staycation over there. It's so cheap. Like you can stay in hotel or in, you know what is in, and transient. It's just, I guess $5, $5 or less, less than. Kasi ano lang yun eh, 300 pesos. 300 pesos lang siya in 3 hours, 6 hours. Pero if you prefer overnight, 600 pesos only. Gotcha. You've learned. And you will meet up in nice here and you'll get married soon. Anong tawag dun yung parang ano ka? You meet a Pinay. Pinay. Maybe. Oh my god. I'll chill. Or chill. Cheer for you. I hope you get married soon. No, wait. I can... Hello, wait. I'm on percent. I'm going to end live. End live. No, but it's I later. Thank you. What is your name again? Tell me now. Go, 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 go. Your name, come on. Tell me what is your name. I'll end live now. Just call me, babe. Oh my god, babe. Okay, bye. See you. See you when you end. Call me if you're already here. Charis. Bye bye.